likely to be a good quarter coming in for Tech Mahindra after the results that we have seen by quite a few of the IT majors itself. In fact, Tech Mahindra in Q3 is likely to report a revenue growth of nearly around 2% quarter on quarter in constant currency terms. Revenue growth in dollar terms is seen at 2.3% at $1,294 million. We should be seeing good amount of revenues coming in from the BPO services, which should be growing faster than the IT services. And also, if you're looking at the overall EBIT margins, that's seen to expand slightly by around 10 to 20 bips at 14.3%. Some of the analysts are estimating a slightly better EBIT margin during the quarter on account of operational efficiencies as well as lower cost. To note that in the last quarter itself, Tech Mahindra had reported a strong margin expansion of over 400 bips, and management commentary in terms of the sustainability of the margins would be fairly important. Besides that, management has also stated that they would be going ahead and giving hikes from 2021 onwards. So hence the commentary in terms of the impact on the same would also be important. Besides the EBIT margin performance, well, the profitability is seen growing at 8% quarter on quarter at 1150 crore. If we are looking at the overall deal wins, well, it's likely to be in the normal range of $400 to $500 million per quarter. In the last quarter, they had reported deal wins of 420 million. This was in Q2, and this is the net new deal wins that I'm speaking about. Large deal pipeline, according to the management, has been strong. However, if we are in fact comparing the deal pipeline or the deal wins by Tech Mahindra versus the peers, they are clearly lagging the peers according to some of the analysts, and hence management commentary in terms of the overall deal wins, the deal pipeline across segments would be fairly important. Tech Mahindra is also a big play in terms of the 5G opportunity. Commentary here in terms of the 5G opportunity, and especially the time frame when the revenues will flow in would be important. In the last quarter, management had stated that we probably may see some amount of revenues trickling in from 2022 onwards, but more clarity on 5G would be fairly important to be seen in the from the management. Commentary in terms of the acquisition strategy would also be important. Contribution from Tenzing acquisition is likely to be just marginal, around $2 million during this quarter. Any further acquisitions by Tech Mahindra and the overall strategy on the acquisitions will be important even from a valuation re-rating perspective, according to Kotak analysts. Commentary in terms of the attrition levels and increments or promotional cycle would be important. In the last conference call, management had stated that they do plan to give hikes to employees by somewhere around 2021 itself, the start of 2021 itself. They stated that looking at early 2021 for increments and salary hikes, they had not decided the quantum of the salary hikes, and hence commentary on the same would be important along with the margin impact. If we are looking at the stock has come off nearly around 11% from its recent Jan highs. In Jan, almost all the stocks did hit fresh record highs in terms of the IT stocks, and the stock is trading at nearly around 17x FY22 price to earnings multiple. Any positive commentary from the management, any positive guidance would be taken positively by the street.